Hooch right now. Wow, there are fish blowing up everywhere. I just hope I could maybe get a topwater on a Fluke. So guys, I'm fishing this rock wall right here, throwing a chatterbait. This is a 1/4 ounce nori's. With a Deps Deathadder on the as a trailer with the chartreuse dip tail. Haven't gotten a bite yet, but so far a lot of fish, a lot of activity. So hopefully I'll catch one in the next 5 minutes, 10 minutes, hopefully. So I'm working pretty fast on the chatterbait, just trying to catch the aggressive ones. So yeah, so this is an Imakatsu chatterbait from JDM Lore. Basically, the head, it's exactly like a jackhammer, kind of like a green pumpkin with a shat style skirt. It also has a weed guard, so you know I can fish around brush pile and all. And then this is the Deps Deathadder. I think it's a 4-inch, so you know I got the tail dipped in chartreuse. Hopefully, you know, in this kind of muddy water, they'll see this lure coming through and just hit it. One key tip I see with myself is that a lot of times I have extra reels at home, and you know I haven't used them for a while. And what happens is when I start putting it on the rod, and I forgot to tighten up the drag. So if you're spooling a new reel or putting a new reel on a rod that you know you haven't used the reel for too long, I would suggest, you know, every time you come out, first thing you check is your drag, making sure that your drag is tight, because you don't want to lose that first fish to realize, hey, your drag is loose. So it's been 30 minutes and I haven't caught a fish yet. So, but they're blowing up everywhere on top. I think they're mostly carps, but there has to be a bass somewhere here, you know. Oh, yes.
Bro, you caught anything?
No, this is my third one.
Shaky head?
No, Neko.
Nico?
Yeah.
What are you doing, man? That's not what we're here for. That's not what we're here for.
What are we supposed to be here for?
Power fishing. Monsters.
No, we're catching things today. Numbers.
I can't get 20th place anymore, man. I'm tired of TNT, man.
14 and a quarter, so. got one. Another thing. Oh shit. Oh man, I just lost it. Alright guys, so fishing's a little bit tough. Right now we're moving spots. We went south from Lola, but the bite really isn't that good. So we're heading back up north towards the Belton Bridge. So let's see how it goes and we'll let you know. Wow, look at that shoulder. Man. Wow. He's weird. Thank you. That's a nice one. Wow, look at the fin here. Probably another 14. Guys, I'm throwing a Neko Rig. So this is the owner Sniper Finesse hook. So as you can see, the hook actually has an offset. So when you set the hook, it's gonna hook them right in the mouth. And then these titanium weed guard, I'm telling you, it's really helpful, especially when you're fishing around brush.
Yeah.
Thank you. Mwah. Alright guys, good morning. It's 5:47 right now. Just got here at the Belton Bridge ramp. So this is pretty much our day 2 of pre-fishing. We fished at Lola last week, and you know, we fished up north towards Belton. So today we're gonna be launching out of Belton, fishing up north to Mossy Creek. So hopefully we'll find them. Unlike last week, you know, last week was tough. We had afternoon thunderstorm the night before and really got the water really muddy. So yeah, looking forward to it. I'll let you guys know how it is. We'll see how it goes. All right, talk to you guys later. Let's catch some bass. Alright, gonna throw that OG and see if I can get a bass in this muddy water. Oh, well, you,
Oh my gosh, man.
how do you forget your phone, man?
I'll catch up to you, bro.
Okay, well, I'll be here.
Dang, man. Good start to the day. Muddy water and a forgotten phone.
It's all right. The bats will make up for it.
Didn't you forget yours last time?
At Chiha.
Oh, Chiha. Okay, yeah. Well, thank God I didn't bring a motor today. This is much better.
Well, I got a nasty bird nest.
Just flying. All right, we're heading back to the boat ramp, everybody. Apparently, I forgot my phone. Can't do that. Why?
Well, actually, you should be okay because there's no signal unless you're taking pictures.
No, there's signal in some spots.
Well, guys, got a nasty backlash and I can't get it out. So, yep, putting the OGs away. That was quick. Wow, look at this. It was a nice skip, but fuck, everything came off. Oh my god.
2 hours later.
Well, there goes another reel. This is not starting out on a good day. This is terrible. Shit. Ugh.
Couldn't find it, bro.
Wait, what?
I couldn't find it. I thought I dropped it.
Is it in your kayak?
It was under the seat the whole time.
Oh, dang. Well, at least you have it.
Yeah, for real. Dude, I was freaking out.
Right, you can't leave it home. I texted you. So, guys, throwing a Neko Rig on a pink water. I know you guys must be thinking, why throw pink when you're in the muddy water? But lazy. You smell that?
Huh?
You smell that?
No.
Really?
What is it? What do you smell?
Like shit?
Oh.
Like literally somebody took a dump in front of my face. Good lord.
Oh, dude. Oh, I smell it. I think you smell.
That is up in your face, Sean. Oh my god, I just missed one. One just came out from my chatterbait.
2,000 years later.
Oh, got one. Oh, wow.
Where is it?
Huh?
Did you lose? Where is it?
Where's what?
The fish.
Right here.
Oh my God, he's so small.
All right, little tank. Saved my day. Hell yeah. I think it's a 12-incher. Whew. I thought I didn't know how to catch fish anymore. Oh, giant, giant.
Get him.
Hell yeah, double up!
Double up.
Hell yeah! Alright guys, we just got a double up. Me and Luis just caught a fish at a different spot though. So, yeah. Hell yeah. Alright, I'm going. It's a largie.
Nice. With the fluke?
Yeah. Alright, let's go. Oh yes, much bigger. Oh, decent one. Probably 14, 15. All right, let him back. Let him go. Oh. Another one. All right, guys, a few more casts, and we're calling it a day.
Bro, that was tough, man.
It was.
I'm
I mean,
glad-
I hit my limit with dinks, but you know, I don't think I hit maybe 65, maybe 65.
I got a 15, like I caught it, the two 16s, but the rest were like 14s.
Yeah, but you had two 17s, right?
Oh yeah, the first one, you're right.
Yeah.
The first one was 17, the next one was a 16, the next one was like 14, 14.5.
Right.
So I would have gotten like 70 something. So
Yeah,
that's
I think I'm gonna go to the southernmost boundary for chastity and just go south from there. All right, guys, good morning. It's July 15th. We're actually on the way to PSKA's Upper Hooch tournament. You know, in the last two trips up at the Upper Hooch, man, it's been tough out there. So, gonna try out a new spot. I'm gonna be meeting my friend Tank. So that stretch is about 4 to 5 miles. So not too long of flow. Just trying out new stretch of water. All right, guys. So this is the road to the launch. Man, look at this. Carrying a Hobie P812 360 down this treacherous path. Man, this was a long workout. this took a few trips for us to get all of our stuff down to the river. Let's see. Let me see if I have the bolt for you. Give me one sec.
We're mainly looking for the nut.
Yeah, the nut. Alright, here we are on the water. Alright guys, so final recap for the day for the Upper Hooch and Chesapeake River Tournament for PSKA. Definitely wasn't doing so hot just because I flipped the kayak. I lost my 360 drive, so in the process of getting a replacement from the duckout bait and tackle from Jamie. That is currently on the way, and broke 2 rods. One, it's a NRX Plus, and then the other one, it's one of my Conquests. Started the warranty with G Loomis and Shimano. That should be fairly quick. It's a low cost for getting it replaced. It's like $300 for 2 rods. It's still not what I really want to spend. It's been a tough day, so I'm still trying to soak in everything that has happened. It is what it is. Just gotta keep moving forward. Thanks everyone for tuning into the channel, and everybody who's been subscribing, commenting, liking all my videos. It really means a lot to me. I'll see you guys next time.